Hello, everybody. Hold on. I'm getting the mic set up. It's a little not where I want it. There we go. Mic's in a better spot now. Gonna give us a few minutes to let people come in here. So, what am I doing today? Well, you see this big bag of parts? I've been working on printing this off and on for the past week. And today, I thought it'd be a good idea to open this up on stream. Not open it up, but build this on stream. Just gonna let people get in here right now. How is everybody doing? First time streaming on Wednesday, I think, like this. I know last time I did a stream like this, I think it might have been a Saturday? So, I have this big bag in front of me. You might be asking, what's in this big bag? Well, I have been working off and on for the past about week, 3D printing stuff, miscellaneous parts for this build. And those parts are in the bag right now. Let me just turn the music down a little bit. So, inside this bag are parts I've been printing off and on for about the past week or so. And today, if I don't have everything fly over, I am going to be assembling all this. So, let me get everything sorted here, and we'll move on from there once we get things sorted. So the cool thing about this build is everything is numbered. So first thing I'm gonna do is just sort everything out. Okay, I don't need these big things over here. Put the big things over here for now. So, let's see. That's E3, C3, D. Let's see. C2. Oh, please don't be stuck. Well, B1. Let me just get my pliers. Oh, I love that multi-board. Everything's right in arm's reach. There we go. B1. Oh, that's E. Let me move these over here. D1. A2. E4. That's C4 and goes right there. Do you have any guesses what this is going to be? B3. A1. Is this a numbered part? No, it's not. I'll put that to the side. C1. up there. E2. It's like I'm playing bingo almost. D4. E1. A3. Let's see what else we got here. B4. I think I also have all these sorted out. And a D2. Okay. Got those all sorted out. Now I think, yep, these are all labeled 2. So let me just sort these now. B0. B3. A0. So all the parts you see right now, I've been working on printing these off and on probably for the past week or so. Yeah, I thought today'd be a great day to finally assemble this little project on stream. Yes, you do have the first chat today. How's your day going? E2. Let's see. So what's this one? That's E0, D0, A, B, C, D. Okay, those are only zeros. Oops. Ah, that's right. These are gonna be in pairs. Forgot about that. D. A, B, C, D. Ooh, don't want to drop this stuff. Okay, I'm almost done sorting all these. Okay, so we got this hand here. Let's see. I'm trying to see where it's at in stream. Okay. Line that up. Yeah, I'll go this way. Is that cleaned up enough in there? Yeah, that's enough. That's cleaned up enough in there. There we go. And that should be able to. There we go. First part done. So we couldn't tell by now. Making a hand. It's gonna be fully posable. So now, one thing I do have to look. I think E is the thumb. Let me take a look here. Let's go. Yeah, and this should be the cover right here for that. Nope. Well, now I'll have to reprint that piece. That's PLA silk, so that does happen sometimes. That's not the worst. You know what? I have some super glue. Let me glue this right now. And maybe by the time I get back to it, it will be dry. That was my fear when using this gold silk. Easily snappable. Let's see. How does he do? Man, that was a really clean break. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna dab this up with some super glue real quick. So my hope here is I'm super gluing this. I know it's not on camera right now. So I don't have to reprint this. Because that would suck. Man, I don't know if I've ever had PLA silk break on me this clean before. Hard to actually line it up because it wants to move around everywhere. There we go. So yeah, all glued up. Just gonna let that sit over here, hopefully dry and not cause any future issues. Okay. So I got that done. So yeah, I'm pretty sure. Where's that part that popped out? Right here. Pretty sure. Yeah. That has. Yep. It has to go like that, and that was where the thumb would go. Okay. So that's a bummer. You know, yeah, nothing I can do about that. Yeah, it is pretty cool. I just made the mistake of printing some of my PLA silk. Just trying to figure out how to put it together now. I don't think that one. I don't know if that one actually goes like there. Maybe it does. Okay, so right now, I'm lining these all up. I think they go like this. Makes most sense. Yep. Probably like that. And we got. And if I put it on here like this, let's see. Be A, so I'm assuming. Or would it be more like this? You know what? I think it's more like this. Yeah, and then put the cap right there. Yeah, because that won't. Well, I can always redo these later if that's an issue. So let's. And that means, do I want to go that way or? you know what? I think I messed up the A's. Hold on. Yeah, because that works better for the B fingers. This is supposed to be the back. Where's the... Yeah, because that'd be the thumb that comes off here. Where's that part at? And then, you know... Yeah, okay, that'd work. So... let me rebuild these A's. I gotta pop them off. This first one on here, really good. Ooh, hope I can get this off without breaking it. Well, you know what? A's are gonna be put to the side for a little bit. You know, when you're when I'm doing this, you know, I'm in edit mode. When I'm not live, I can hide a lot of this stuff when I can't figure out how to build stuff. It looks better, but you know, when you're live, you never know what is gonna happen. So C2, C3, and C4. That should. There we go. I'm not sure. It's a little loose. Let me take these off real quick. Well, I'm just gonna keep on putting these together. Because that would be, yeah. It's 3 fingers. Ooh, that's a little tough. Maybe these go on this way. Yeah, there we go. E3 and E4. So I'm gonna try to take this A part off again. This is just on there really good. And I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to. Can I move this? Okay, so I can move it. So I might be able. There we go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. A1. Where's my A's at now again? Two. Oops. 3, 4. Okay. Now I should be able to slide B on there quite easily now. C. And D. Okay. But, uh-oh. Oops. Did I put these on backwards? Yes, I think, I don't know. I'm going to have to look at the model just to make sure. I might have put these on backwards. Oh. Thanks. So, yeah, I didn't read the instructions before I went live. Instructions normally help, you know? What's the fun in that? It'd help if I stopped dropping everything, wouldn't it? Am I missing something? Okay. Where's my B series? This is the start of B. A. B. Okay. So I want these to curl like this. So now, what I want to do is start matching these up. So A0 should go, no, or this could go like here. No, that's not matching anything up. Interesting. Here's the top for A1. A1, so I'm missing something here, I think. These should pop right in there. B. There we go. There we go, I think. There we go. A0. Lock left in. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can find out. B1. B1. No, B2 maybe. A2. Okay, so A2 locks in just fine. And A3. Be one of these smaller ones over here. C3. Yeah, there we go. A3. Okay. A1. Why is... What is... You know what? I bet I know why A1 doesn't lock in. Because I had those fingers on there. Probably the wrong way. That would make sense, now, wouldn't it? Because they probably only go on one way. Pop this off without breaking it. PLA silk, so might not be able to. Come on. Is it fun watching me struggle right now? Because I am struggling. There we go. It didn't break. So let me go back to A1. To make more sense. You know what? I'm gonna go look at the instructions real quick. Just 1 second. I'm pulling up the instructions on the computer, so just bear with me right now. I am making a posable robot hand. I 3D printed all the parts and trying to figure out the assembly right now. Okay, I have the instructions pulled up on the computer right now, so let's see how this goes. So let me just take this off there real quick. So I'm looking at A1 like this. I was right about that. Okay, then this should go right here. Boom, on A1. Okay. I think. Hold on. There we go. And then this should go like this. Well, before I do that, let's make sure Yeah, haha. So yeah, I was having issues getting this one locked in last time, and I got locked in now. So that's cool. Okay, now I want to attach this to right here. There you go. Scoot over to the computer real quick and take a look. Okay. So this will go like this. Okay. And A0. This goes here. Then I need to find A0 again. There we go. There we go. And I got the first finger. See? Read instructions and it helps. Go figure, right? Okay, let me make sure I have B installed right now. Oh, where's B? B. B1. Yeah, and let's see if I can't twist these off again. Okay. Okay, now I need to hunt for all the B pieces down here. Here we go. There we go, and B3. Should have a long piece for B. Okay, there's B0. And where's my matching B0? There's a C0. There we go, B0. Yeah, what kind of 3D printer are you thinking about getting? Oops, dropped that piece. There we go. Got 2 fingers. Yay. Solid choice. Good thing about the Ender series is they've been it's been around for so long. No matter what version you get, you know, there's a lot of expertise on them. And you can pick them up relatively cheap compared to some of the other printers too, I think. I am not in frame. I just realized that. Just a second. Sorry about that, guys. Let me just scoot my chair and my microphone over a little bit. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Now I moved my big mic and everything over to my right next to my printer where my workbench is at. So I have all these cables running back to my computer right now. Yeah, it's a good printer. I know a lot of people running that one. They really like it. Okay, so C1, C2, 3, and 4. Now let me find my C parts. C2. C1. And do I have a C3? Do I have a bingo? No. E, no. Did I drop my C3? Okay, there's my C0 I'm gonna need in a second. D0, D2, E1, D3. D1. You know what? I might have dropped this. Huh. Let me take a deeper look. Oh, was it hiding? Of course, it was hiding. Found it. Getting there. 3 fingers. Yeah, I think I assembled these a little wrong, so quick disassembly and reassembly of these, so. Okay, so D1, D2, yep, and like that. Then I can pop these on. I need to find D0 and D0. Peace. Okay. Actually, I know some guys that have the K. They're pretty much doing a print, like the little mini print farm out of them. They're printing some. They got an enclosure for it and everything, and they're printing some high grade or high upper level filaments. So if you guys didn't catch this when I started the stream, I broke this when I was trying to put it in. So let me look at the instructions real quick and see how this goes in. thumbs like this. Okay, let me redo the thumb. But yeah, this whole thing was 3D printed, all these parts for this, and I'm just trying to get everything assembled now. Let's see, E1. So, okay, then it has E2 like this. E3, E4, E3, E2, E1. Okay. I think that, yep. Is that how it goes in here? No. Let's see. Okay. Then we have we got a big one here, and it goes right here in the back. There we go. Or would this be like that? Yeah, it'd be like this. So, let's see if the super glue holds up, or am I got to reprint this little tiny part right here. I'm hoping it holds, but we'll find out. No. Well, since I have a 3D printer right next to me, I'm actually gonna get this print started real quick. I need to, where is my gold silk at? Actually, let me take a look at this. Since PLA silk's a little more brittle, what would you guys think of this being black right here for that clip? Or some random other color? Because right now, I'm thinking just do a quick print in black to take care of that issue. Because I'm opening up my slicer right now. Let's see, yeah. Right there's the part. Let's see how long this is gonna take. Okay, about 15 minutes to print that. Okay, it's sent over to the printer. May get a little loud in here. So while that's waiting, let me go back to the instructions. Okay. This piece and the circuit board. There we go. Oh, look at that. All loaded up and circuits are ready to go. Chip is installed. Okay, let me see how I mount it to the base now. No, don't want to break anything. So this only goes this way. Okay. Oh man, that's up to you. That's the cool thing about 3D printing, is the options are endless. I mean, what do you want to print? Do you want to print toys? Do you want to print fidgets? Do you want to print something practical? Do you want to print something cool for your wall? Like, there's a lot of options. Okay, so how is this supposed to Okay, it's supposed to go this way somehow. Okay, I gotta look how to get this base installed. This is the trickiest part so far. Well, the only problem, I'll warn you of this right here. The K3, or Ender V3 KE, its build volume is only 222 millimeters squared. Might be a little small for a helmet. So, typically, printers that are considered helmet class are 300 millimeters and bigger. So just wanted to give you that heads up before you get one. And a good alternative for a helmet class printer are the Elgato Neptunes. There's the Max and there's the Pro. Both the 3 and 4. 3 is going to be a little bit cheaper, but they're both on the bigger side and affordable. Not going to be as fast as the KE, but they're solid machines still. Hey, Finn. I'll wave to you. How you doing? I broke apart, so I have the printer going right now. I'm sorry if it's a little loud in the background. And I just realized something. One of my screen captures is up on OBS because I started printing this. Give me a second. Oh, that's always an option, is cutting, slicing it. And there's a bunch of ways you can slice it within the slicer. There's different types of connections. A little more work for you, but it's definitely an option. Especially if you're gonna go the route where you're gonna sand, put the primer on there, sand again to get like a really good finish. Like I said, it's a really good option. Okay, well, let me figure out how in tarnation. That's like this. This is like this. Okay. And this clip is gonna be like this. Okay. Hey, look at that. Minus a thumb, I say we have a hand. And it's, you know, cool thing about this, fully posable. If I want to. Look at that. I have two printers. This beast right here is the Bamboo Lab P1S. It's a Core XY enclosed printer. And the one behind it you can't see is the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. The A1 Mini is 180 millimeter build 180 millimeter build plate, but pound for pound, it punches above its weight class. And if you don't mind the smaller build plate, the A1 Mini is a great price right now. So, let's see. Oh, switch up. Let's see how much time's left on this. I got 8 minutes left in that spare part. But yeah, minus this little piece breaking on us. I think that this actually came out really cool. Once I get that about 8 minutes, I'll get that piece printed and get it off the build plate, and I'll put the thumb on here, and we'll see how that looks. So. With the thumb. Now, I knew this going into this build. So this is PLA silk, and PLA silk is a lot more brittle compared to a PLA. Easily snaps. So whatever additives they add to make it shiny, also makes it a little more brittle. So, but like I said, I've been in between miscellaneous prints overnight. I've been letting this go for the past week in different batches. It just takes a while to print. Actually, got something similar I'm working on right now. I'll give you guys a little preview. You know what? I'll just show you. Hold on. This is only the first batch. I got a few more batches. let's see how this looks. If you can guess what's in this bag, let me know what you think it is. I'll let you know if you're right, but it's hard to tell from this first batch. Yeah, that's my system. Like, when I'm doing projects that require multiple prints, if I can fit the little parts into one bag. If you didn't notice, that bag is actually a bag that filament rolls come in. So I'm reusing the filament bag rolls. So. It could be. So I'm not sure I'm going to do that. When I get that done, I'm not sure I'm going to do that on stream or if I'm going to make a video on that one. I don't know. I like doing this one on stream. I need set days for streaming. I really don't have any set days for streaming yet. I just go live when I can. Well, thank you. And for whoever's watching, if you haven't subscribed yet, it'd be a great help as I'm about, let me take a look, 17 away from 1,000 subs, which would be amazing. Huge milestone once I get there. Well, I appreciate it. Oh, you want to hear something funny? My most recent short that came out this morning, I was going to have it, I thought I scheduled it for 5 p.m. Nope. It was 5 a.m. it was scheduled for. So, that short that came out this morning, the Tri-Fidget, it's a fidget spinner that has the gears. Yeah, that was supposed to come out at 5 o'clock tonight, but accidentally came out at 5 o'clock this morning. And I need to start working on some more longer format videos. Last stream I did, I was doing this. Don't want to give too much away, but if you watched it, you know what I'm doing. This is just the beginning. It's going to be a pretty... I'm reevaluating my testing methods. They're a little bit better. Because the Bulbasaur is an irregular object on his belly, so I want to do a flat surface to see if it works better. But, you know, I work full-time, so it takes time for me to put out longer format videos. Sometimes I can do a video pretty fast, but to do a decent video, it takes a little bit of time. Especially the editing. Sometimes I do a voiceover. Never know how the mic's gonna pick stuff up. Past few videos I've put out have been, I did 2 compilation videos, one of time lapses, and one of some cool impossible pass-throughs I put out, and they're doing okay. The most recent one I did was, I found this model. I had to get, you know what? Do I have? Actually, you know what? I have the model right here. This thing right here. I don't know if you guys seen this video or not. I did a quick video on this, so, and actually I'm gonna revisit this a little bit later in a short. So this is actually a pretty cool model I found in Thingiverse. You know, if you look at this, these 4 gears right here, which are spun by this, are spinning this gear. And you see that center gear spinning a lot faster, right? Well, let me add another gear. And you see how these gears are moving even faster now when I rotate this back one. And there's a little more resistance, but not too much. But when I add this third one, the multipliers and gear ratios really start adding up, and it becomes really torquey back here, right here. Well, definitely you have to use some force to pull this, but look how fast, I'm barely moving this in the back, and look how fast that's moving. So, what I'm going to try doing actually, these are modular. I can just print off like a section like this at a time. I'm actually going to print off another section and add it here. And this should become really torquey and work as intended. Actually, you know what? Let me find the top blade of this and I'll show you what it does real quick. I'll get to it when I get to it. I'm not too worried about it. So, it's supposed to launch. Let's see. Do I have this let's see if I have this on camera. Good. Okay. Go figure. When I actually want to show it off on, it actually worked perfect that time. I could never get it to work like that when I was filming earlier. Go figure. That's just too funny. Okay, it looks like this print's actually starting to finish up right now. So it just cut off the filament and rolled it back into the AMS. So let me get my scraper real quick and I'll get this off the bed. Hot build plate. I recommend letting build plates cool down before you touch them. Do not do what I just did. Okay, let's move this out of the way. So I went with just a regular black PLA, a little bit stronger than the other stuff. Let's see if I can get this to snap it now. There we go. And now it is working. Or not. Did that break out? No, it just came off. Did I put these on here right? Yeah, I think I did. Let me get some more leverage on it. I have to take this off camera real quick. I might have installed that backwards. I'd imagine the thumb was supposed to... let me take a look. Aha! I know what the problem is here. Well, that's something I'm going to get to later, because right now, it's just not going to move. Hey, it came off a little bit easier than I thought it would. So, let me take a look here. So when this is installed, there, that's how I want this. Yeah, that looks more like a hand. That looks better, doesn't it? Okay, well, I am going to wrap this stream up. I just want to say thank you for everybody that watched. You all get a big thumbs up from me. So I am going to be heading off. Again, thank you. And if you haven't, make sure you've liked the stream and subscribe. I'm really close to hitting my goal of 1,000 for this week. So I'll talk to everybody later. Thank you.